the use of black eye makeup, or was deeply significant in ancient Egyptian culture. It wasn't just for aesthetics. It held both practical and symbolic importance. Sun protection. The thick, dark lines of kohl around the eyes helped to reduce glare from the harsh desert sun. Much like modern athletes who use black grease to reduce glare, Egyptians used kohl as a practical solution to protect their eyes from bright sunlight. Health benefits. Ancient Egyptians believed that kohl protected their eyes from infections. Some modern studies have shown that lead salts in the kohl might have helped stimulate the immune system, potentially protecting against bacterial infections. Kohl had symbolic importance too. Egyptians believed it helped ward off the evil eye and offered spiritual protection. This was linked to Horus, the falcon-headed god of the sky, whose eye symbol was associated with protection, health, and power. Kohl was also a mark of social status, beauty, and fashion for both men and women in ancient Egyptian society. The dark, almond-shaped eye outline became iconic in Egyptian art and culture, representing a standard of beauty and sophistication. So, for Egyptians, kohl was an essential part of daily life, practically, spiritually, and aesthetically. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational and informational contents.